Tanjiro Kamado is the main protagonist of Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba. He is a kind-hearted and determined young boy who lives in the mountains with his family. One day, after returning from selling charcoal in the village, he discovers that his family has been brutally slaughtered by demons, with only his younger sister, Nezuko, surviving, though she has been turned into a demon herself. Devastated by the loss of his family, Tanjiro vows to avenge them and find a way to turn Nezuko back into a human. He trains rigorously and becomes a Demon Slayer. Joining the Demon Slayer course throughout his journey, Tanjiro faces numerous powerful demons, each with their own tragic backstories, which often leads him to show compassion and understanding, even towards his enemies. Tanjiro is known for his unwavering determination, strong sense of justice, and the ability to empathize with others, which sets him apart from many other fighters. His signature techniques include the water-breathing forms, which he uses to combat demons with grace and power. As he travels, Tanjiro not only seeks to protect humanity, but also learns about the importance of family, friendship, and the struggles of those around him. His journey is one of growth, resilience, and the fight against darkness, making him a beloved character in the anime community.